first off, on the OBS here, you can see there's a screen here, right? If you want to adjust it, just click on the screen, and you can see these dots is going to appear on the end of the images here. All you have to do is that you have to hold it and then drag it. And then you can see it'll drag the image, or it'll adjust the image just like that. And it'll keep it proportional as well. So it'll keep it by the aspect ratio of 16:9. Now, if you want to adjust it or freeform transform it, not looking at the aspect ratio, you can hold shift while you're tracking it. And you can see now you can transform it however you'd like. So you can see transforming it like this, and you can even make it kind of squeeze on the corner here if you'd like. But I imagine it won't look good in most situations. So I do recommend just putting it on the normal aspect ratio like this. But of course, the option is there if you'd like. And if you don't want to mess with the aspect ratio, just don't hold down shift, and then just drag it however you'd like this. And then you can adjust it, and then like that, just leave it like that. And then that's it. You have adjusted the screen.